Hello everybody and welcome back to another lockpicking video. Today we're going to have a look on this very nice lock from ABUS with the Pfaffenhain logo here. So it's made in the branch Pfaffenhain in the east part of Germany. And yeah, look at that keyway. Isn't that horrible? It looks super nasty. Here's the key. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin lock. Works just fine. As you can see, maybe you could shim it because it's spring loaded, but still, yeah. And this keyway looks super nasty, but if we take a steep hook, and this is a steep hook I will be using later on, it's in 0.6 millimeters. And if you take it right through the center, you can comfortably pick all the pins to the very bottom. So yeah, this keyway looks so intimidating, but you can use a very thick pick to pick it actually. So let's put it in a vise and then we can try to pick it. See you back in a second. Okay, here we are back in a vise. Key works just fine. Now we're using this flat pry bar here at a slight angle, and yeah, I hope you can see this line here, which should indicate a false set, and right away we see spring tension and some core movement. But yeah, let's start picking, and I will start from the back actually. Small click here. This thing on 6. Let's check the front. 1 is binding, good click. 4 was binding, good click. Now you see a nice false set. So let's continue. 2 is binding, I think. Count rotation. And we have it. So let's check 1, 2, 3, feels good. 4, I don't know, let's check the back. Ah, there we go. Just touched 5 and we're open. So that looked rather easy now. But as you could see, there was no counter rotation when I touched 5. And this is typical behavior with this lock. I think that's a T-pin. And if you don't know that, and you don't keep the tension at the right spot, and you expect like a spool or so, you start setting stuff. And this T-pin makes it very nasty in pin 5, because you just have to touch it and the lock opens up. And you might not even notice if you don't apply enough tension. Yeah, so very cool lock. And yeah, what a nasty keyway. So if you're still here, thanks for watching and hope to see you next video. Bye.